Okay, for instance, when I wanted to make this one adornment for the Oscar collar, it's actually made up of 4 brass pieces. So I come to my brass design center here, and I choose each of the pieces, and I take the large brass piece and then I solder the medium size onto that, and then the small onto that. And once they're soldered together, I turn them over and then solder the female part of the Chicago screw to the back. And I'll just turn on my torch here. See, once it gets heated up, the solder will go on there and spread nicely. And then I can take the female section of the Chicago screw and make sure to get some solder on that piece. Once that's on, I'll take that and heat it together so that the 2 soldered pieces are heated up and the solder goes to mixes with each other. And then I'll flip it over. Do this, heat it up again. This gets very hot. You don't want to touch it. But there, I'll take, these are titanium tweezers. Take that, try to place that as evenly on there as I can, and then cook it up. Okay, and take that, and with as steady a hand as I can get, place that on top. Heating it up so it kind of melts together. And then I'll let that cool. And it's done. And that gives me my Collier Leeds logo.